Let's hide all likes, dislikes and comment on your YouTube videos. You can't do that thing within YouTube application. You have to use YouTube Studio application. If you don't have that application, you can download that application from App Store or Play Store. Then type and search YouTube Studio. Then install. After, you can open it. Then you have to log into your application. Then if you have multiple accounts, you can switch. Now tap View More, then you can see all your videos. Then select the video you want. Now tap the pencil icon. Then tap Advanced Settings. Then you have to turn off these two options. First, allow comments and view ratings. Just tap toggle switch to turn it off, then tap Save. Now tap the YouTube icon. Now you can see all video ratings and comments are hidden. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you soon.